Okay, this is a 50 caliber round. This is Ben's head. The 50 caliber round is about the size of Ben's head. Ben's going to send one of these rounds in this rifle down there and take out some of those, I don't know, pot cans or something. All right, Benny, ready? Hang on, let me get around. All right, Benny, 50 caliber, downrange, do it. Little high. You going for the pot cans? Benny!
Ben.
Here, let's just pretend.
Can I see the two-liter?
Shoot whatever you want to at this point.
There you go, dead on.
What?
All right. 50 caliber. Actually, no. What he's shooting is 22.
Yeah, I saw a big 50 caliber bullet. I'm shooting.
He's thinking, hey, this is awesome, but no, you can see the difference between the two. All right. Do it again, Benny. Do the 2 liter again. Finish that off.